Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful and natural licorice Mulethi face serum at home. This serum is amazing for tightening the skin, fading dark spots, evening out skin tone, and giving your skin a natural glow. Let's get started. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of rice. Wash it well to remove any dirt or dust. Now soak it in clean water and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. This rice water is packed with skin-loving nutrients that brighten and smooth the skin. After the rice has soaked, we're ready to prepare our serum. In a clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons rose water, soothes and hydrates the skin. 2 tablespoons rice water, improves skin tone and texture. 1 tablespoon glycerin, locks in moisture and prevents dryness. 1 tablespoon castor oil, helps reduce pigmentation and fine lines. 1.4 teaspoon alum powder, tightens pores and firms the skin. Mix everything very well until all ingredients are fully combined. Now pour the mixture into a clean serum bottle or spray bottle. Next, add 2 to 3 small licorice sticks directly into the bottle. Don't skip this step. Licorice, Mulethi, is rich in brightening and anti-inflammatory properties that help fade dark spots, acne scars, and pigmentation. Important tip: once everything is added, close the bottle tightly and shake well. Then place the serum in the refrigerator for 24 hours before using it. This allows the licorice to infuse completely and release its natural extract into the serum. Do not remove the licorice sticks from the bottle. Keeping them inside will continue to enhance the serum over time and give you even more skin benefits. After 24 hours, your serum is ready to use. Apply it on clean skin, preferably at night. Just take a few drops or spray it on your face and gently massage it in. You can use it alone or before your moisturizer. Avoid the eye and lip areas due to the alum. Storage tips: store this serum in the refrigerator at all times to keep it fresh and effective. You can use it safely for up to 1 month if stored properly. And one last thing, always do a patch test before applying any DIY remedy to your face. Everyone's skin is different, and this step helps you avoid any unwanted reactions. This serum is packed with goodness. Rose water refreshes and calms rice water, brightens and softens glycerin, locks in hydration castor oil, repairs and nourishes alum, tightens pores and reduces oil. Licorice fades dark spots and improves skin clarity. With daily use, you'll notice your skin becoming clearer, tighter, and naturally radiant. If you found this serum helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.